This one, organising your day and well-being. Don't feel guilty if you're going to take some time off. You feel you have to be on it 24/7. It's tough going. Sometimes when we're getting lots of knockbacks, it's good to just go and do something different in this world and clear your brain so you can come back and be more refreshed. Set a contract with yourself. Decide what your routine is going to be during the day, and each day and each part of the week, what days you're going to work and what days you're going to take some switch off time, which is absolutely essential, because otherwise it just gets in there and it just keeps going on and on and on. Here's a tough one. Learn to relax. What is it that does relax you? You sometimes treat yourself just right. I'm going to go and watch a film. I'm going to turn the phone off. I'm going to just ignore everything. I'm just going to go and have that time. If you're into going to the gym or going running or cycling or walking, or just going to, perhaps see some sport or music or whatever, treat yourself. You have to do that. And if you are up for it, try and read some mindfulness books and some positive books. Be careful what you watch, but if you do like the full-on tough documentaries and programs, crack on. But if you do need something more positive, go and spend some time searching what you're going to watch in the evening. Don't wait until you get to the evening and think, it's just negative stuff on television. So I'm a bit like that. I always have to look at the positive programs. Try and create another challenge in life whilst you are looking for a job. Something personal you want to do. Is it painting? Is it music? Is it cooking? It can be all sorts of things. And perhaps think about this may be a time that, I change what I need to do. And your well-being is essential for your future. So make sure you invest in it.